Hey guys, it's Midwest Fishing Bros. Today I'm gonna show you my unboxing video that I ordered from Tackle Warehouse. I basically bought some stuff that is for, for the summer, and since we're getting like 70s, 80s, and finally warming up, and we had some days that are like 80, 85. With humidity, and I tell you what, the gnats are still terrible, and can't wait to show you guys on what I got. The total of items I bought is $11 items, and the total comes out $66.30. I got Zoom Brush Hog and June Bug. Yeah, because around here where I fish at, they love the color June Bug for some reason. Pretty cool. I had watermelon or green pumpkin with red flakes. I like them a lot. And next one is Zoom Brush Hog in California color. The reason why I bought this color is because I had deep bombs in California Love, which are exactly the same color. Works awesome. And next, they're deep bombs made by Missile Baits, and I got in Desert Storm. How sick are these? Pretty awesome. I usually Texas Rickies with a 3/8 ounce Eco Proton stain, and works every time. These are pretty greasy. Since I bought stuff over $50, I got free Tackle Warehouse decal. And now to my I bought this because it's a smelly jelly. It's the best beast. I bought this because my friend has one in, I think it's shad scent, and he uses them all the time, and he catches them every time. Even though we went to state for, state tournament for Iowa, and he used the scent of the shad. He caught them crazy on practice days, and then, but he didn't use them on tournament days, day 1, day 2. This is what it looks like. It's pink, and it's got glitter. I'm gonna smell it, see what it smells like. Oh, hell no. No. And now to my hard baits. I got that War Eagle. It has a laser Pro Carb hook, and this one is in Spot Remover. How sick is that? I'm starting to get into spare baits because one of my friends, Wes, he uses spare baits in the morning all the time, or jerk baits, but he prefers spare baits, and he taught me a lot about it, and I always liked them. I always used them, but never caught the fish that I wanted. So he told me to buy some War Eagles, a spot remover, gets them every time. And now I thought I had this one, the 6 Sense Snatch 70X. It's 5.8 ounce. It's a wild herring shad. They're awesome. And I also bought the 6 Sense Snatch 70X 5.8 ounce and Brown Eye Special. Pretty cool. And I bought the 6 Sense Crutch Flat X 75X. And this is the square bill. This is the green sunfish. Tell you about these. I saw this because I used numerous crankbait companies like Strike King, Bomber, Norman. You know, the cool thing about this is that it's a liftless crank style body with the square bill. How cool is that's a green sunfish. Look at these hooks. Give you a better, hook set ratio. Those are cool. And I bought the Snatch 6 Sense Snatch 70X. It's a baby bluegill. And tell you about this. It looks immaculate and awesome. Plus, it also rattles, too. I also buy again 6 Sense the Crush Flat 75X. This and baby crappie. They're pretty awesome. I can't wait to use them. After this video, I'm going fishing probably. This is super nice out. I don't know. Tell you about my my state tournament experience. It was very tough. Very tough. There was I think about 110 boaters, and I was a co-angler, well, non-boater, and it was very tough because it was on Lake Okoboji up north. I think, yeah, up northwest, about 10 miles away from the Minnesota border. Very, like, the West Lake of Boji was super clear. Like, you can see 20 feet deep clear, and you can see the smallmouth, pike, perch, any fish. You can see the species of it. It's pretty cool. And on each side, the lake, which is like lake water, which is like river water, and so that's where I wanted to be at the most of the time. But my boater didn't want to go there, and it was very, very difficult for me. And overall experience was awesome. I mean, it was my first tournament ever, and it was great. I mean, now I know the feeling of it. But the thing is, it's weird that I never got nervous. At first, on day 1, day 2, never got nervous. All I needed was confidence in my baits. Day 2, I caught over 20 fish, but it wasn't the length that I needed. It was 14s, 14s. And then, like, about, I think, if I could remember correctly, it was about 12:30 to 1 o'clock. I thought about throwing a Lake Fork craw tube with had the garlic scent, and we were about 10 feet deep on the clear water part, and with healthy, beautiful grass. So I just used my, Denali rods and casting out there. Let sit, and then when I got my lure down way to the bottom, and then just a little twitch, and then nothing yet. Reeled in again, catch it out there, let fall, and then all of a sudden twitch, and I got big bass, which is 4 pounds. Can't remember the ounces. It was 18 inches long. It was big. Excuse me. And it was a good overall experience. And I have a tournament coming up on June 29th. Lake Geode is in Iowa. It's about an hour away from us. It's a club tournament, and mostly what I'm going to be using over there is probably lots of soft plastics because it's flooded timber. We'd probably use one of these rattle traps or crankbaits. And I think that's all I gotta say. And stay updated for more videos, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.